The UnifiedJourney Giftpack is an investment in yourself that will pay dividends long after 2024 ends. To you and through you. The trilogy of books, workshops, and social media content are a buffet of perspectives that fit together and can be used independently. Creative writing targeting success, wellness, and compassion. Please enjoy and use feedback forms to highlight what works best for you. UnifiedJourney is aiming for a gift pack delivery window of mid to late 2024. Tag a pop-up friendly venue near you or send info via social media, email, or feedback forms. You are awesome. Solomon at UnifiedJourney.com.